Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about effect of substituents on further substitutions. So concept behind it, because we are reading aromatic compounds, especially benzene. So concept related to some students get confused over which groups does the directing the incoming electrophile or initial substituents. Trying thinking about it in terms of an aircraft, the E plus coming into land at an airport, ARX. It is the control tower at the airport on the ground, X, that does the directing of which runway and which ramp the aircraft should go. So substitution in mono-substituted benzenes, all hydrogen atom of benzene rings are equivalent. Therefore, only one mono-substituted product is possible. So a second substituents can occupy any of the remaining 5 positions. The position 2 and 6 are equivalent and would give ortho products. The position 3 and 5 are equivalent and would give the penta products, and the position 4 is unique and give the para products. Now you can see ortho are equivalent, meta are equivalent, para is unique, 1, 4. So two types of influence of substitution: directive or orientation effect and activity effect. Directive or orientation effect: the first substituents may direct the next incoming substituent to ortho, meta or para position depending on the nature of the first substituent. This is called the directive, or the orientations orient to arrange the effects. Activity effect: the substituents already present may activate or deactivate the benzene ring toward the further substitution, and these effects are called activity effects. So ortho 2 by 5 of total 40%, meta 2 by 5 of the total 40%, and para 1 by 5 of total 20%. So ortho-para directing effect: certain substituent direct the second substituent to the ortho and para position simultaneously, and these are called ortho-para directing. For example, when phenol is nitrated, the only product obtained are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Now, the substituent OH is said to have directed the NO2 group to ortho and para position on the ring. Therefore, OH is designated as the ortho-para director. Some common ortho-para directing groups are chlorine, bromine, iodine, OH, NH2CH3, and C2H. Meta-directing effect: the substituents which direct the second incoming group primarily to the meta positions are referred to as meta-directing. For example, nitrations of nitrobenzene give 90% of meta-dinitrobenzene and only 5% of ortho and 1% of para-dinitrobenzene. So, nitrations, you can see the 93% meta. Effect of substitutions on reactivity: a substituent which activates the aromatic ring to the further substitution is called an activating substituent or ring activators. You can see the resonating form of phenols. The substituent which deactivates the aromatic ring to further substitution is called deactivating substituents on the ring deactivators. You can see in case of nitrogroups. So friends, ortho-para director activate a ring toward the electrophilic substituents, whereas meta-directing group deactivate a ring toward the electrophilic substitution. Although fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are ortho, meta, para directing, and these substituents deactivates a ring in electrophilic substituents. So application of aromatic compound: different aromatic compounds are used in different industries for different purposes. Uses: they are extracted from the complex mixture obtained by the refining of oil or distillations of coal or tar. They are also used to produce chemicals, polymers, including nylon, phenol, and styrene. So other aromatic compound: benzene, it most widely produced derivative including styrene, which is used to make polymers and plastic. So a small amount of benzene are used to make some type of rubber, lubricants, dyes, detergent, drug, and pesticides. Now toluene, the common solvent able to dissolve paint, resins and rubber. In the preparations of saccharin and tolubutamide, hypoglycemic agents, for blending epoxy and as a starting material for benzyl derivative, benzaldehyde and benzoic acid. Aromatic nitro compounds useful in lab reagent for the identification of organic compound. 2,4-DNP used for identification of carbonyl compound. 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene is widely used in protein chemistry, commonly known as Sanger's reagents. In the preparations of TNT, which is widely used as explosive. In the preparation of nitrazepam used in the management of seizures and sedatives, hypnotics. Now you can see, friend, phenol is also used in preparations of cosmetic, includes sunscreen and hair dyes. In cosmetic surgery, it serves as exfoliator. In surgical procedure used to treat an ungrown nails, which is applied to nail bed to prevent red growth of nail. Now friend, the naphthalene act as raw material in the productions of dyes and insecticide for preventing moth in clothes. Also used in productions of some pharmaceuticals products. Anthracene is converted mainly to anthraquinone, a precursor to dyes, and has anti-tumor and laxative activity. Now friend, phenanthrene, an important skeletal nucleus in bile acids, sex hormones and cardiac glycosides. Codeine is used as an analgesic and cough suppressant. So pyrene and its derivative are used commercially to make dyes. You see this pyrene, most potent carcinogens. Xylene, a mixture of xylene, xylol, is used as a solvent and diluent for liquors. So benzene sulfonic acid. In the synthesis of saccharin and azodide, sulfur drugs such as sulfanilamide. So friend, thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.